Hey everyone, welcome back to Finance Titans. If you're enjoying the content and don't want to miss out on our upcoming videos, make sure to hit that subscribe button. Also, click the notification bell so you'll be the first to know when we post something new. We've got a lot of exciting content lined up and we can't wait to share it with you. Please remember, the content provided in this video is for educational purposes only and should not be considered as financial or investment advice. Always do your own research and consult with a financial advisor before making any investment decisions. So stay tuned and let's dive into today's video. Amphenol Corporation's journey is a compelling narrative of growth, innovation, and adaptation in the high-technology interconnect, antenna, and sensor markets. From its establishment in the mid-20th century to its status as a global leader today, Amphenol's story is intertwined with the advancements in technology and the evolving needs of the electronics industry. Founded in 1932 in Chicago, Amphenol began as a small operation focused on producing tube sockets for radio tubes. This initial venture was significant at a time when the radio and telecommunications industries were experiencing rapid growth and transformation. Amphenol's early success can be attributed to its commitment to quality, innovation, and meeting the specific needs of its customers in these emerging markets. As the decades progressed, Amphenol expanded its product offerings beyond tube sockets, delving into a broader range of interconnect solutions. This diversification was driven by the burgeoning demand in various sectors, including military, aerospace, and later telecommunications and information technology. The company's ability to adapt its products to the changing needs of these industries played a crucial role in its growth. One of the key factors in Amphenol's expansion was its strategic approach to acquisitions. The company made several significant acquisitions that enhanced its capabilities and extended its reach into new markets. These acquisitions not only broadened Amphenol's product portfolio, but also brought in new technologies and expertise, fueling further innovation. Innovation has been at the heart of Amphenol's ethos. The company has been a pioneer in the development of advanced interconnect technologies, consistently introducing products that set new standards in performance and reliability. Amphenol's commitment to ARTA has kept it at the forefront of the industry, with a reputation for solving complex technical challenges and pushing the boundaries of interconnect technology. The latter part of the 20th century and the early 21st century saw Amphenol solidifying its position as a leader in the interconnect and sensor markets. The company's growth was marked not only by expanding its product lines, but also by adapting to the rapid technological advancements in the electronics industry. Amphenol's products became integral components in various applications, ranging from mobile devices to complex aerospace systems. Financially, Amphenol has maintained a strong performance, characterized by consistent growth and resilience in the face of market fluctuations. The company's financial stability can be attributed to its diversified customer base, innovative product offerings, and strategic acquisitions, all of which have contributed to its robust market position. Despite the highly competitive nature of the electronics industry, Amphenol has managed to navigate challenges such as technological shifts, market volatility, and evolving customer requirements. The company's ability to anticipate market trends and continuously adapt its products and strategies has been key to its enduring success. Today, Amphenol stands as a testament to the power of innovation, strategic growth, and adaptability in the dynamic world of technology. With a broad portfolio of interconnect solutions and a global presence, Amphenol continues to play a pivotal role in driving technological advancements and meeting the complex needs of its customers across various industries. In conclusion, the story of Amphenol Corporation is not just a corporate history, it's a narrative of a company that has evolved and thrived in tandem with the technological revolutions of the past century. From its early days as a tube socket manufacturer to its current status as a global leader in interconnect and sensor solutions, Amphenol's journey is a reflection of its commitment to innovation, quality, and meeting the ever-changing needs of the technology sector. As the industry continues to evolve, Amphenol's legacy of innovation and adaptability positions it well to continue shaping the future of interconnect technology. Thanks for watching, everyone. I hope you enjoyed the video. If you did, please give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to Finance Titans and hit the notification bell so you won't miss any of our future content. We love making these videos for you, and your support means the world to us. Leave a comment below with your thoughts or what you'd like to see next. Until next time, stay awesome and see you in the next video.